Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. Today I'm going to show you how to make my absolutely quick and easy, very delicious French toast, guys. Yay! The ingredients for our very delicious French toast are, we have some apple cinnamon brioche bread. We also have brown sugar, some salt. We have some more sugar. We have a combination of brown sugar and white sugar, as well as eggs, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and we also have some cognac. Yes, we have brand Marnier, and let me tell you, brand Marnier is amazing to cook with, especially when you're cooking fruits. Not only is it a cognac, but it does contain orange liquor, which is perfect. It has that nice fruity flavor. As well as half and half ground nutmeg, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and of course, butter. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our quick and easy French toast custard, guys. Yes. To this bowl, we are gonna crack our eggs and hope that we don't get any eggshells into the bowl. And for some odd reason, every time I'm on camera, that always happens. I always end up getting a bunch of eggshells in the bowl, which is so crazy. But yet, off camera, no problem. Everything is good to go. And there's nobody that I know that will want to be crunching on eggshells while eating French toast, all right? So I checked, everything is good to go. All right, to these eggs, we're gonna add some half and half. And you guys know me, I love to add half and half when it comes to making French toast. It just gives it that nice, creamy taste. It's just so amazing. It tastes like $1,000,000. So much better than using regular milk. We're also gonna add some ground nutmeg, just like that. And I know you guys noticed I don't have the measuring cups today. Why? Because this recipe is too easy to follow to mess it up. We're also going to add some, obviously, ground cinnamon and vanilla extract, just like that. Love my vanilla, so I'm going to add a ton. And of course, when you're cooking with spices, especially what's considered fall or winter spices, aka cinnamon spice, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, apple spice, those type of things, you just can't put too much. I mean, what's gonna happen? Your house is gonna smell even better, basically. And we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And we're also gonna add our brown sugar because we want to sweeten up our custard just a bit. And we're gonna combine everything. All right, and this is good to go. Now that that's done, we are gonna work on making our sauce, our very delicious sauce. Yeah, saucy sauce. What? To this bowl, we're gonna add our sugar, combination of sugar. As you can see, we got the white sugar and we got the light brown sugar. We're gonna add some nutmeg. We're also gonna add some ground cinnamon. We're gonna go in there with our spoon, just like this. We're gonna break that sugar down, combine the cinnamon spice along with the sugar. If there's any clumps in the sugar, that's okay, because once we add it to the nice hot melted butter, it's gonna melt down anyway. All right, that's perfect. To this nice hot pan right here, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter. Once it's nice and melted, we're gonna go in and we are gonna add our sugar, of course. And it may seem like a lot, but guess what? We're making a compote, and to make a compote, you're gonna need sugar, all right? But the majority of the sugar that I used was brown sugar, and brown sugar is not as sweet as granulated sugar. So it's not gonna be ridiculously sweet and overbearing. Let's get this sugar broken down. That's this little chunky piece right here, the one that I was referring to. Finally, all right, we're good to go. We're gonna go in and we're gonna add, to our melted sugar, we are gonna add our Grand Marnier, and we're gonna add as much as we wanna add. Woo-wee. Kitchen smells like $1,000,000. Woo! And we're gonna go in and we're gonna add these berries. Yes, we are. Add the blueberries. Save a little bit back for garnish, and we're gonna add our strawberries as well. And we're gonna give everything a good mix. Make sure that delicious sauce, OMG, is combined with our fruit. because we want to have like what's called an even exchange in this pan going on. We want to have our fruit take on the flavors of the sauce, and we want to have some of the juice from the fruit extracted into the sauce as well. So yeah, that's going to be our even exchange. Right now our flame is on low heat. We're going to allow these berries to literally soak in this syrup, and we're going to allow the sauce to come to a slow simmer and allow the berries to soften up just a bit. We want the sauce to reduce so that way it's nice and thick. I just want to show you guys something. Sauce is pretty much reducing. Yes, berries are pretty much broken down at this point. So let's say you want to stop the cooking process, but your sauce isn't as thick as you want it to be. It's not saucy just yet. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go in, get some of that liquid, add it to some cornstarch, just like that. Of course, if you don't have a lot of liquid, then it wouldn't be any, need to thicken it. But nevertheless, you can also use water for this along with the cornstarch. All right, take your spoon, mix it up nice and good, just like that. Make sure you get all of those lumps out of the cornstarch. You don't want a lumpy sauce. You want your saucy sauce to be nice and smooth, all right? And we're gonna add it to the mixture. And that, my friend, would thicken it up instantaneously. Like magic. And at this point in time, we can turn our stovetop off. Our sauce is perfect. Now that our sauce is done and that is sitting to the side, what I'm gonna do is we are gonna work on our French toast. So to this loaf right here, we're gonna cut some thick slices, guys. All right, not thin little skimpy pieces, but thick size, decent sized pieces. Take it and add it to the custard just like that. Allow the bread, because the pieces are really thick, allow the bread to soak up that custard. You don't want dry bread. You want your bread to be nice and flavorful. You want that nice cinnamon flavor and, all the spices basically to coat the bread. All right, that's perfect. I'm gonna put it to stand up just like that. We're gonna add some butter, allow it to melt, and make sure you add enough butter, because the butter is what's gonna give your French toast a nice flavor, and obviously that's what you're gonna be using to fry up your French toast with. We're gonna start off with adding our first piece like that. Set it right in the pan just like that. I have about 5 slices here. Hopefully I have enough room for everything. This right here makes a perfect brunch or breakfast, either or, perfect. I'm not gonna try to fit everything in there right now, but 4 is perfect. And our flame is on medium high, and we're gonna allow these bad boys to toast up. And once we come back, I'm gonna show you how to put everything together. Alrighty, it's about that time. Look at how rich our sauce is, guys. Amazing. Amazing, right? And has that nice reduction, right? We are gonna go and we are gonna add it just like that. Don't be afraid, add as much sauce as you want to. Berries are in season, and why not? Let's take advantage of it by making delicious recipes, right? I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna put it on the top just like that. Take this guy right here, put it right here. And of course, I'm gonna add some more of that delicious compote. And last but not least, we're gonna take the other piece and put it on top as well. So we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream, just like that. Our very berry French toast turned out so amazing. I mean, look at it, guys. You can't tell me that this very berry French toast isn't gorgeous. It's absolute perfection on a plate. And by the way, big shout out to the hubby who is always capturing these perfect pics, guys. I mean, amazing. Not to mention the taste. It looks amazing, but the taste was even better. OMG. And plus we added that Grand Marnier. It literally elevated the flavors to a whole different level. And guess what? The best part of it is we made it at home. So we didn't have to pay extra money for extra sauce. Definitely give this recipe a try. Tell me what you think. And this would go perfect for not only the fall season, but the winter season as well. Let's take advantage of all of the delicious fruits and berries and everything that's in season. Thank you so much for cooking with Tammy, and I will catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.